Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install an Armor Stand Shockproof case on iPad. So let's get started. As I see in the package, there is the case itself, the shoulder strap with the tools for installing it and manuals with installing instructions, and also a pry tool. First, take the shockproof case and separate the parts. Open the clips along the edges and carefully lift off the front cover. Do this carefully to avoid breaking the case cover. Then place your iPad into the inner frame. Make sure the corners fit properly and the device sits securely inside the frame. You can focus on the camera area to make sure the camera hole on the case is aligned correctly. Then gently press the iPad so it fits properly inside the case. Once the iPad is correctly placed, attach the outer protective layer around the frame. Press gently around the edges to make sure everything is properly connected. If your case includes a built-in screen protector, make sure it aligns correctly with the screen before closing the frame. Also make sure you press carefully and not too hard to avoid any damage to the iPad display. Now check all the sides to confirm that the case is fully attached and locked in place. Then for me, the hardest part of this case is installing the shoulder strap. Take the shoulder strap and remove the side connectors so you can attach them to the case. As I said, this part is a bit harder. Place the connector into the gap where it should be attached, depending on whether you want to use the iPad in landscape or portrait mode. Then use the tool and thread to twist and tie it, like I show in the video. Repeat the same steps on the other side to secure the second connector. After that, connect the shoulder strap to the connectors. Now you can also use the shoulder strap to carry your iPad. This type of armor case also usually includes a built-in stand. You can open the stand from the back and place your iPad in a comfortable viewing position, either in portrait or landscape mode. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Armor Stand Shockproof case on your iPad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.